welcome back to LoVision. It's your boy Lo. Today we're gonna be taking off this tail, and we're gonna be putting that shorter one on. It's gonna be coming out to about right there. Also removing those turn signals, putting them on the new one. So for this bike, bow on the left side, it's gonna be where you put the key, and you can remove this seat. There we go, remove that. Then you got some alley wrenches to remove, so let's go ahead and remove that. All right, but I'll be back after I remove those. All right, so after removing the back seat, front seat, and then this is where you put the key right under there, just to get you up to date. All right, so now we're gonna be removing this piece and these. All right, so we took off a bolt here, screws here, 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 here. Here, 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 and here. So should be able to slide this off. Let me check the bottom. I might have one more to take off. Yeah, I think we have these inside ones right there. All right, so after those two, we should be able to take this off. All right, 1 second, we'll be right back. All right, we removed those. Let's see. Boom, that one's loose. Boom. Don't want to pull it too hard. Don't want to break nothing. Is there one more? This side is up. I think we got one. Yep, one more. So those comes with this tool bag, alley wrenches. So it's pretty easy to get to. Boom. Screws are pretty short, so I don't want to drop it. Boom. Boom. All right, let's go. Boom, just like that. All right, let's use the camera. All right, boom, got that piece removed. Oh yeah, that thing gotta go. All right, make sure you keep all your stuff in an easy spot. All right, next up is to remove this, and also get up in here, remove those cords. All right, next up, we're gonna be going into this little baggie right here. It does have 2 zip ties, but with this big zip ties, the one we really need, you can press this little thing right here, push down on here, and you can go ahead and pull it. Like that. Take that out just a little bit. Slide it out of that, like that. Boom. And once you pull this out, these are going to be the wires to disconnect. All right, so it's going to be these wires. I'll go get the right color for you guys. And then you have 3 screws that will have to come out, which is underneath. Yep, underneath there. And then that'll be off. And then we have a screw for this and a screw for this, because we will be reusing these. So that's why we're gonna make sure we get the right cords. All right, so yep, so we're gonna just pull these straight out of there. So yeah, they can pull them straight out. Then they'll go out through that hole. So next up, let's unscrew this. All right, so yeah, we got those 3 screws, took it out. Couldn't hold the camera and take them out at the same time. So let's go show you what they look like. So yep, took this off. So now we're gonna unscrew those bolts to take off the lights. And this is the new plate that I got on Amazon. We're gonna have a license plate light that's gonna go on top. Right there, shine down, or right here, one of those, we'll see. And then of course the lights are gonna go here on the side. Then we got all the screws and brackets. All right. It's gonna be pretty tough to record. So what I'm gonna do is just unscrew that, use those same bolts, put those on here, and then I'll be back. All right, so now we did have to undo, just use the alley wrench that came with the CFMOTO and undo screws here, 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 and yep. And then you should be able to pop this off like that. And now I can get to the lights. So now I have to do this and this, and we should be able to slide them out. And that's where we're gonna use this. All right, so now we got the lights on, like that. We literally just took them straight from there, used the same screws, put them on here. That one's ready. Now we need to put this light on here. All right, so we got the light on there. We're gonna throw these spacers on there. I might not be able to do this by holding the phone, so I'm gonna have to put the phone down and be back with you guys. All right, this is how it looks. It looks much better. We're gonna go ahead and throw this plate on there. Still have to connect the lights, but that is how you guys change the change the tail, the fender. And I hope this was a good video. Did my best with trying to hold the phone and show you guys step by step. But yep, the CFMOTO 450SS 2026 fender delete. All right, so another thing I want to show you guys. So in order to get this light to work, I had to use this right here, some wire taps. And you put them onto this the light switch, and then stick them onto there. So everything's connected. You can see the lights do work. Now I'm about to put everything back together. Start by sticking all of this back in here, zip tie this, and then put the seats and stuff back on. And there we go, finished product. Everything's back together.